Here we come to the elevators at the Holiday Inn Hotel in downtown Raleigh. These are modernized Schindler elevator of some sort. EPCO inch-line fixtures, and we got the right elevator car.
So the one thing I was going to say is we could ask them this way.
I not realized that there was somebody and I was like, I didn't make a capture on camera. I'm sorry about that. 20? I don't usually film in hotels, but I just thought doing so since I just find it pretty unique. Here we're at 20. Looks like they renovated this hotel. Look at this hotel. Look at this hotel. So it's like literally cylinder shaped. All right, let's go on the L. It's just your basic elevator. Eastern Elevator has recorded this elevator before, also known as Cody Chambray. I think that's his name. This elevator was obviously modernized. Oh, you're going to 2?
Yeah, thanks, brother.
Have a good day.
All right, thank you, brother.
You're welcome. So that's the parking right there. Let's see if we can try to get the other elevator car. Button goes out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's call it. There's music playing, so this is going to be really impossible to drown it out. We got an elevator car finally. Oh, we got it to ourselves. This one's got the chime. All right, go to 20. I'm gonna end the video as soon as I get off the elevator. I'm not gonna watch the door close. Because the music is playing very audibly in the lobby, and there's absolutely no way I'm able to drown it out for copyright reasons. We're at 20. Now let's go back down the lobby and we'll end there. I don't know what brand this used to be before Schindler modernized this. I believe either Westinghouse or something. I don't know though. These travel, I believe, 350 to 500 feet a minute. These are your EPCO circle line fixtures. I'm gonna stop the camera once the door opens. For one, not because of the music, but I also don't want to get confronted. All right, with that being said, that'll be it.